Oh, nice. The box is this one. The box. So there, you can see it. It's JBL 600 BTNC. 600 BTNC. This is the fresh box. Very nice box. Quite neat. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back for unboxing and review of gadgets or essential devices. As you know, I'm into podcasting. I needed a good audio headphone for podcasts. At first, I was looking in the internet, those just looking for the basic headphone. But after researching, and now I'm convinced that I needed a noise cancelling headphone. Yet most of the branded ones that I saw in the internet are very pricey. So I searched for online stores in the net, and I found one online store that offered this product. This is real deal. I will write in the description which site is this. This one is the JBL TUNE600BTNC with the noise cancelling and Bluetooth wireless headphone. And the price of this is just 174 dirhams. And if you have to compare this to the stores, the big stores, superstore, gadget store. Tape. Tape siya. So masyadong may quit pagkaka-tape, ha. this is brand new. This is not second hand, because that store that I'm saying, they are selling refurbished and open box. They call it open box. Yung open box is like brand new, but the seller, the buyer returned that box for I don't know what reason, but that open box are available. So yung seller na to is they are selling open box, but this one is brand new. They are also selling brand new there. So there, that is the one. So let us set aside first. So this is the item with the plastic, and very nice. Let's open it. First, this one, the manual. Let me show you. Yeah, there's the manual. This is the manual. So I will not open it. So this is just the manual. So there's the serial number at the back. So this is authentic, original. So included in the box is this one, the manual or warranty, and this USB. This is the audio jack, TRS to TRRS. So this headphone you can use also with wire. With the cushion there for your head, and there is a left right marking, right left. So, and it's flexible according to the size of your head. Yeah, very nice. Then you can see here in the button here, this is the power. So this is the power on. This is the noise cancelling. This is for the TRRS audio jack, and the button, volume, and the mic. So this is very good, no? It's very soft, a cushion for your ears. So that's very sturdy. So let's turn on. There, easily turn on. Now this one is for the noise cancelling. Ito, this is for the noise cancelling. Turn off. Yeah. Turn on. Turn on. Yeah. Ayan. This is the toggle on off yung noise cancelling. So that's about it. I will try this and see. After trying it, I will go back and vlog about this, the quality of the sound and all this. So I'll just turn on. So for the price is, for me, externally, as I see it, it's very good. Beautiful, pretty looking headphone. Comparable to those branded ones. You know, the branded ones are very pricey, like 1,800 dirhams to 1,000. But this one is just 174 dirhams, excluding delivery charge. So that's about it for my review of JBL 600 BTNC wireless headphone with noise cancelling. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you've been helped by this.